Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to connect LinkedIn to Buffer in 2026. If you want to schedule LinkedIn posts, manage your professional content more efficiently, and publish automatically, this guide will walk you through the entire setup process step by step. First, open your web browser and log in to your Buffer account. Once you're on the dashboard, make sure you're using the account where you want to connect your LinkedIn profile or company page. Next, click the Connect Channel or Add Channel button. This will open a list of all the social media platforms that Buffer supports. Now select LinkedIn from the list. Buffer will redirect you to the LinkedIn sign-in page if you're not already logged in. Next, enter your LinkedIn email address and password, then sign into your account. If you're already signed in, simply continue to the authorization step. Now LinkedIn will ask you to give Buffer permission to access your account. Review the requested permissions and click Allow or Authorize to continue. Next, choose whether you want to connect your personal LinkedIn profile or a LinkedIn company page that you manage. Make sure you select the correct option before moving forward. Now wait a few moments while Buffer completes the connection. Once it's finished, you'll be redirected back to your Buffer dashboard. You should now see your LinkedIn account listed among your connected channels. To make sure everything is working properly, create a simple test post and schedule it for a future time. Then check your publishing queue to confirm that the post has been added successfully. Finally, you're ready to start scheduling professional content, company updates, or career-related posts directly from Buffer without needing to log in to LinkedIn each time. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect LinkedIn to Buffer step by step. You can now manage and schedule your LinkedIn content quickly and efficiently. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.